In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a HankoTrade account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to HankoTrade.com, and then on here, you want to click on Open Free Account at the very top. And when you do this, it's going to take you to their register page over here, where you basically have to type in some of your info, such as first name, last name, email, phone number, your country of residence, and then your password as well. So for me, the email and password are filled in because I have an account already. And of course, don't mind it. For you, it's going to be empty. And whenever you create your account, you'll then be able to sign in and you'll get the access to your dashboard inside HankoTrade. To now set up your account to start trading, you want to go to the Home tab. And then here, you want to select if you want a live or demo account. So depending on what you want to do, you'll be able to select separate accounts and multiple as well for either demo or live trading. So just select whichever one you want. The setup is going to be pretty much the same for whichever you choose. I'm going to select demo for now, and then click on create account here. You have to select the platform. When it comes to live accounts, you'll be able to select MT4 as a platform if you're creating a live account. And if you want to know how to actually connect that, I have a separate video on how to do it, so you can go watch that too. And then here, whenever you select your platform, you'll be able to select your account type. So there's going to be a few, as you can see. You can select whichever one you want. And I'm going to go with the standard one right now. And then all you have to do here is select your account currency. Here I'm going to do USD. And then your leverage, there we go, and then your amount as well. So I'm just going to do 10K, and then you just have to click on create account, and what's going to happen is you will receive a notification on your screen with your basically login credentials. So the login username, the password, and the server you want to use to actually trade in HankoX, and then you'll be able to go to your Home tab here, and you'll see your demo account is now listed inside your accounts, or of course a live account inside live accounts. Whenever you do that, you'll receive the credentials to log in onto your email as well, and after that you can just go ahead and start trading with the trading terminal over here. Open up HankoX, and you've successfully set up your HankoTrade account. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.